think all dry shampoos are created equal. Think again. You've probably heard that dry shampoo is a one-size-fits-all solution, but that's a huge myth. Stick around as I expose the common mistakes people make and show you how to unlock the true potential of dry shampoo specifically tailored for your unique hair type. We all want that fresh, clean hair feeling without having to wash it every single day. But if you have ever tried dry shampoo and felt like it just did not work for you, left your hair flat, chalky, or still greasy, you are not alone. The problem: most people think dry shampoo works the same for everyone. In reality, the one-size-fits-all approach is exactly why so many struggle. The secret: matching your dry shampoo and application technique to your unique hair type. So let's break it down. Fine or oily hair? You need something lightweight yet powerful at the roots. Back2naturalness Dry Shampoo Powder uses arrowroot and rice powder for gentle oil absorption that will not weigh your hair down, giving you lift and volume. Thick or coarse hair? Oil can hide under layers, which means you'll want stronger absorption. That's where bentonite clay and cacao powder come in, soaking up excess oil without leaving that telltale white residue. Apply closer to mid-shaft and you'll keep that fullness without heaviness. Wavy or curly hair? Refreshing your curls without ruining the pattern can be tricky. The good news? Our non-drying formula keeps curls defined while absorbing grease. Just a small amount at the roots is all you need to preserve, bounce, and shine. Now let's talk about the art of application. Here's where most people mess up. It's not about dumping powder on top and hoping for the best. Use the lift and apply method. Lift small sections of hair, sprinkle lightly at the roots, and let it sit for a few minutes. This allows the powder to fully absorb oils before you brush or style. Here's a pro tip. Instead of sprinkling straight from the jar, use an old, clean makeup brush for precise application. Or make it even easier with our Back2naturalness retractable kabuki brush, perfect for travel and mess-free touch-ups. You'll get even coverage, less waste, and salon quality results every time. And unlike sprays, our powder disperses evenly. No harsh chemicals, no aerosol, no heavy perfume. We even have an unscented version for sensitive noses and skin. Now, for some pro hacks. After a sweaty workout, apply to roots. Let it set while you cool down, then shake it through. Instant reset. Want to keep your blowout or curls lasting longer? A small amount of Back2naturalness Dry Shampoo helps extend your style for days. But a quick warning, don't overdo it. Too much dry shampoo can cause buildup. If you're relying on it every day without washing, it's time for a reset. Use it as a helper, not a replacement. So let's recap. The real power of dry shampoo isn't just in the product. It's in finding the right match for your hair type, applying it correctly, and using it strategically. That's how you transform greasy, weighed-down hair into fresh, voluminous styles that last. Back2naturalness Dry Shampoo Powder for dark hair is vegan, travel-friendly, and works for men and women with every hair type. No harsh chemicals, just arrowroot, bentonite clay, rice powder, cacao, and essential oils. And if you're sensitive to scent, we've got an unscented version too. Don't forget you can pair it with our Back2naturalness retractable kabuki brush for the easiest, cleanest, most precise application on the go. Grab your 3.5-ounce jar today on Amazon or Walmart.com. Experiment, find your perfect application, and let us know how it transforms your routine. And don't miss our next video, where I'll share sustainable hair care tips for every hair type. Click, subscribe, comment,